Hi everyone, it's Gayle. I am here with a really quick video today. I just listed these coffee dyed papers that I have done in the tub method that Medieval Mirage has on her videos. I love the method. Let me kind of show you. I showed these in a previous video, but these are the papers. These are how they came out. But I'm loving how they came out when I scanned them. So I have two kits to share with everyone that are on my Etsy, and I am just super excited about these. I think they're going to be fun for collage and fun as back pages to your other digitals. So this is kit one. Before I get into the kits, I will link Medieval Mirage's first video. I think she has 3 on that tub method of dyeing paper. It's really fun. It takes forever to dry. That's my disclaimer. And so, you know, I'm not super patient with that, but I've had it sitting out in the sun and that's worked pretty well. So first kit, this is the first page. This one I love. This was a leaf shaped plastic doily that I was able to use. And it actually had paint on it from using it on my jelly plate, but it came out with this lovely green. So yeah, I love it. Here's another one. This one, also another leaf. I think both those 2 leaf ones would be awesome in like a nature botanical journal. So really fun. And then this one, I loved the really grungy side here. But you know, all still writable. So I think in collage or the back sides of digitals will be really fun. So that's first kit. Second kit is a different one of the leaves, and it has a little subtler green through here. Then this one was paper doilies. I love these spots. It almost looks like rust to me. I think it's so fun. So I'm anxious to use these, so I wanted to share with you guys before I tore them all up. Here's another one. Lots of dark spots on that one, but I just love the different colors that have come out in it. This one, super grungy. Love this one too. I just think they're so much fun. And then this is the last one in the kit. So it's coffee dyed kit 1 and 2, and they are on my Etsy cinnamon tea. I'll put a link below, but you can also get there through my website if you want to. So those are there. While I've got you, I might tell you too, I've got these packs of 2 fabric flips right now, and some have sold, but there's still plenty there. I have these. I have some wallpaper sampler packs, and then I also have a few of the international page packets left. So that's those are the physical items, those 3 things: the fabric flips, the wallpaper, and the international pages. And then I just put these on there. So I think these are going to go awesome with my ledger pages, which was the last kits that I put on. So just super fun. So wanted to share. Anyway, thanks everybody for watching. Quick video extra today, and we'll just see you next time. Thanks everybody. Bye-bye.